Hello, I'm here to walk you through how to access terms of services on Google Meet. So the first thing you do is open up the app, Google Meet app or Google Workspace, and then click on the three lines in the top left corner over here. Click on Help and Feedback, and then once it opens up, you click on the three dots at the top right corner over here, and then you can see a lot of options there. View in Google Play Store, clear help history, version info, terms of service, privacy policy, licenses, export call history. You select terms of services. Give it a few seconds to load, and there's it. So all the topics are covered there. We know it's so. I know it's very tempting to skip these terms of services, but it's very important for you to read them in order to establish what you can expect from Google Meet and what you can expect when you use the Google services and what they also expect from you. These terms of services reflect the way that Google's businesses work, the laws that apply to the company, and certain things that they believe to be true. As a result of this, these terms of services help define Google's relationship with you as you interact. That is you, in other words, we, the users, as we interact with their services. So it includes what you can expect from them, what they expect from us, the content in Google services. In case of problems or disagreement, what to do. We have the terms about the age requirements. So we have content, our relationship with Google. So we scroll down, what they expect from us, how not to abuse the services, permission to use services, what is covered, what is not covered under licensing, the scope, the rights, the purpose, duration, Google accounts, when you use Google services on behalf of organization or a business, service-related communications, content in Google services, Google content, other content, software in Google services, in case of problem or disagreement, warranty, disclaimers, liabilities for all users, for businesses and organizations only, taking action in case of problems, removing content, suspending or terminating access to Google services, settling disputes, governing laws and courts, about all the terms, and that's it. That is how to access terms of services on Google Meet. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, click on the like button and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this. Till next time, bye bye.